What's going on, y'all? Back to another video. As y'all can see, we got the 2024 ZX4RR right here. ABS. This thing is sick, man. I ain't gonna lie. They got the KRT right here too. Amazing bikes. We're closing out a deal on this right now. We'll see if everything goes good, but I would be very happy with this bike. It's my first sport bike. I have a cruiser right now, but man, this thing is nice. Got the TFT. I don't know much about these sport bikes like that, but I do know the basic information, you know, about them.
You know, it's the footwork, it's the faith that he has on and off the golf course. It's everything about him that makes him so authentic, and he sticks true to who he is.
So it's when, right? And you think when Paul Striker, right? So wins pick up, how much of a factor would that be? Well, Scotty was asked in his pre-tournament press conference about playing Augusta National.
What is up, boys? We're about to ride the ZX4RR. My glove just fell, but it's okay. About to ride the ZX4RR. This is a 2024, the black. First year they come out with a different color for the ZX4RR, because last year it was just offered a KRT. But this year they got the all black joint, and I just picked it up 2 weeks ago, so about to go for a little rip. Hopefully it's good content. And yeah, let me get a little cold start. Not really cold start, I was riding earlier, but whatever. Still got stock exhaust on it, so sounds kind of bad, but the inline 4 will be roaring pretty soon. So let me just try to figure this out real quick, these settings real quick, but I'll see you out on the road. Alright, boys, before I go on a little rip real quick, had to give the boys a little rev, but I'm gonna just be going around, maybe get a little few rips in it. I'm just trying to break in the bike right now. I just got it like 2 weeks ago, so it only has about 244 miles to be exact on the bike. Oh god, they're coming. Okay, but just get a little rip in it, you know. Gonna get some rips in, not go to jail though. Everything in this video is highly edited. Some of it is even fake. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, but we shall see. I'm trying to go on some not so busy streets, so let me just boom 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 boom. Yes sir. Man, hopefully I don't get rear-ended. That would suck. Kawasaki. I'm not gonna get that green Kawasaki thing that goes right here, and I'm not gonna be everybody. Maybe I am, I don't know. It does look pretty badass, but we are just chilling right now at this Lights Dash Challenger. At you. Man, this thing sounds kind of okay for being stock exhaust. Don't sound too bad, but it will sound better with a slip-on. I do know which one I'm gonna get already. Hopefully they still got it when I get it. Probably get it maybe next week. It's called the damn, what's that exhaust called? Honestly, I haven't seen nobody really with it, but it sounds pretty badass. I saw like one video about it, but it was like I think it was a ZX6. So honestly, I don't even know the name of the exhaust, so I can't even tell y'all. No, I'm not gatekeeping, but when I order it, y'all will see it. So yeah, not bad if I'm breathing hard, man. I ain't gonna lie, because being in his helmet, man, this bitch is tight. Home Depot. I think I'm gonna get on the highway real quick. Not the highway, but the little, kind of like a highway, small little highway, nothing crazy. I'll do that probably right now. And I don't understand. Hello, brother. Good. Yoink. I'm gonna drag knee. Let me shift down one. Oh, it's a prime truck! Get away from me! No! There you go. I closed up my thing on the way, so maybe there's less wind noise now. Maybe this whole video has been trash and I don't even know it, but it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's so cold. Another freaking light, bro. It was cool at first, but now I'm trying to go. Can I pull this up, maybe? Hello? Thank you. I got my polo socks on with my G-Fazos. Some all-white G-Fazos. I'm probably gonna invest in some boots. I have a jacket at the crib, but I didn't put it on today. Yeah, I need to get a little better riding here. I don't want to be riding like a squid this summer, but who knows, maybe we might be squidding it out. We might be squidding it out, I don't know. What's up, brother? Brother! Brother! Hardly rather wave back at me for once. I don't know where these people be living at, where like all they got is like highway and like empty roads, but here, man, I can't get a freaking straightaway for nothing. Oh, what's up, brother? MT-07? MT-05? MT-03? Is there an MT-05? No, it's MT-03 and MT-07. Oh, that's me. No, bro. Can I get another red light, bro? God, bro, I'm sick of these. Another red light. This is starting to get a little insane. Let me auto blip for y'all boys. Yes, sir. So yeah, boys, sorry this video isn't that entertaining. It's my first one ever. Just want to show you the bike a little bit, but I'm not good at these, and I am realizing that at the moment. I don't know how these boys do it, these YouTubers do it, but I guess I'm gonna keep learning. Maybe not. Maybe I suck. Maybe I won't ever upload again. There's a biker right there. What's up, bruh? What's up, bruh? So he didn't give me the thumbs up, but he gave me the heads up. So maybe he's nervous. I don't know. Maybe he's shy. He could be shy.
Okay.
Oh my God, why is he running in the middle of the street? But I got that quick shooter though. Should I beat this car or nah? Menace? Get gap foot. Yeah. Oh, her cane fell. Rip. I have ridden the bike halfway towards the break-in period, so I'm almost there. Boys. Do I look cool? Yeah, I look cool. I wonder if this GoPro even like records like a good amount of storage, because I don't even know what. That's where I should go. I should go to Best Buy, get an SD card, a big one, a big fat one, like this big. I should go get one. I'm gonna go home first, check up on my girl, see if she's doing, how she's doing, because can't be out riding all day. I don't know where I can. Yeah. Construction workers. Yeah, no, look, yeah. I'm gonna stop by the crib real quick. I'm almost home right now, so I'm gonna stop by the crib. All right, boys. So we did make it back to the crib right now. As I can see, got the bike right here. It's about gonna wrap it up for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know if I should keep doing this or not. First time doing it, like I told y'all already. If you guys like it, then I'll keep doing it. If you don't, I might still keep doing it. Who knows? But yeah, Give a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.